In this step, you'll decide how your translated video should sound. We've made it really flexible. You can choose between different voice styles to get the result you want. Basically, there are two main options. You can either clone the voices from your original video or pick voices from our voice library. Let's start with voice cloning. We currently have two cloning modes, and both let you keep the same voices from your original video. Mode 1. Clone your voices with native fluency. This one keeps each speaker's tone and personality, but makes the translation sound completely natural and accent-free. Let's check out how that sounds.
Let's say more tailored specifically for the American market.
You'll hear that it sounds like American English, while still keeping the timbre of the original speaker. For Mode 2, clone your voices with accent. This also keeps the original tone, but adds a slight accent from the speaker's native language. It's perfect for storytelling when you want to keep that authentic touch. Here's an example of the result.
Let's say more tailored specifically for the American market. I had to break away.
You can definitely hear a bit of accent, but it makes the dubbing sound more unique, natural, and expressive. Now, if you don't want to use voice cloning, you can go with our voice stock instead. If you'd like to pick the voices yourself, start by figuring out how many speakers are in your video. Then just click Manually Choose to select the voices you like. Let's take a look here.
Let's say more tailored specifically for the American market.
And if you'd rather not spend time picking voices, just click Auto Match. We'll automatically match the most suitable stock voices based on the tone of your original ones. We wouldn't say there's a best voice, just the most suitable one for your content. So go ahead and take your pick.